Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna start this real soon, y'all. Just give me a minute. Nice on your neck, you freezing. Nah, that sound crazy. I ain't gonna even lie to you. That boy Ben snapped on that shit. I ain't even gonna cap. I don't know what type of live this is about to be, but I'm here. I'm here, man. I know sometimes I'll be going for a long time. All right. Yeah, I know I'll be going for a minute, but sure. Sometimes it's needed. It's needed to, get away for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And reset. But all right. Look inside the eyes, say you too. You never be too. Do you? Who knew? Mm-hmm. Alright, let me see something. Hold on. Leonardo, what up, bro? ASMRs. Make sure that Bluetooth. New cool. Please do ASMRs. You fuck with the ASMRs? I'm coming to America soon. We gotta get lit. I'm crying. So, hey, why did it do that? I didn't like that. Why did it ping when I already turned that off? I've been turned that off. That shouldn't be a thing. That feature should be off. All right. So basically what I'm doing here right now is I'm looking at different like videos on like how they were made. You know what I'm saying? So at this moment right now, this is what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? How do I get rid of that pinging sound? I don't like that. I thought I got rid of it and it's still doing it. Still doing it. Let me see. Okay, it should be off. I'm going to my homies in Atlanta and Chicago. Shout outs to that, bro. It's gonna be a vibe out there. I've never been to Chicago, but Atlanta is different. Monty, hey love, I'm gonna watch you while I work, unless I get a call, so I won't get too much. I mean, type too much, but I'm listening. Said hi, yo. Appreciate you, Monty, for coming through as always. You know what I'm saying? Like that's mad love. You know what I'm saying? So basically what I'm about to do is I'm about to watch the like videos on how it's made. How do I turn this joint off, bro? It keep doing it. It keep ping. Okay, maybe that's it right there. Let's see. Maybe that's it. Yo, Gibby Gaming, what's good, man? Hey, make sure y'all all press that like button and shout out to Gibby Gaming, man. Yo, Gibby Gaming. Appreciate you as always, man. Yo, I know this whole streaming stuff ain't really what it's dreamt up to be, but I ain't gonna lie, this is pretty dope though. This is dope, you know, to get back on here and just see everybody and vibe with everybody. Honestly, the streaming world, I ain't gonna lie, I want to take this on the outside and be outside and doing stuff like this, vibing or vlogging or something, bro. But hey, this is a good vibe. This is a good look. Yo, and jerking my to you right, yo, that's wild. Talk move to me in my ear. You sound good. Appreciate it. Talk more to me in my ear. You sound good. Thank you. you looking mad cute today, yo. Appreciate you. Even though I don't do cute. You know what I'm saying? Chilling, haven't seen you in a live in a minute. Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, life been busy, but you know, I've been take care of what I need to at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Like, but yeah, life is busy. I'm paying off my debts and stuff and all that. If anybody want to donate to the debt fund, you know, the Cash App is always available. I need to make. Nah, let me stop. Let me chill. Yo, hey, I don't like how this thing is pinging, so I'm what I need to do is reset this this YouTube thing. Hold on. It's not even supposed to be right there. Hold on, right there. Hold on, y'all give me a minute. I'm gonna figure it out. Has just donated $150. Appreciate that. Yes. That's what I like. That's what I like to see. Appreciate that. Thank you. Dang, how do I pull this back up? Okay, that's how I do it. Just give me a moment, y'all. Give me a moment. I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna get right. But for the meantime, we're gonna watch how it's made stuff. But I'm just trying to get this to pull up so I could see the comments. Leave it like that. Real quick, you like that. Ain't speaking like that. Like that. Oh, he showed me that this shit inconclusive. Alright, I'm gonna get back into the YouTube and stuff, y'all. Just hold on. I like trying to get this money, yeah, for real. Alright. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, y'all. I don't know how to turn this TTS off, this noise, but it's killing me right now. Seriously, it's killing me. I'm just trying to like mute it for the meantime, but it's doing its own thing. Hold on. Once I figure this out, everything be all good. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, it's still popping up. Do y'all hear that ping? Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. Just make an OF and you'll get a lot of money, bro. Nah, facts, right? I might just make an OF, but I'm gonna make it for food. And I'm gonna make food look sexy. What y'all think about that? Should I make the food look sexy? Should I take food and just put them together and just like smash the tomatoes together and shit? Should I do something like that? Would you like that? Freak? No, I'm just kidding. You're not a freak. But yo, this thing is killing me because it keep I came when you did that. Stay close to the mic. So you want me to stay as close to the mic as possible? Huh? She said stay close to the mic. You're black, so you probably got a big dong. Just some some hot hoes and dudes no more on camera. I can promote you and shit. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna stay close to the camera. But yeah. All right. In the meantime, though, look, we can already watch some little videos and stuff. How it's made, traffic signal poles. Do I want to look at that? Nah, we need to see how the traffic light. Is that the same thing? Traffic signal poles? Let's see what they talking about. Traffic signal poles. Yo, hey, how do I get rid of that pinging, bro? That shit is annoying as fuck. That joint's annoying as hell. Oh my gosh. I'm already letting you know about your OF. Yo, I ain't doing no OF.
Traffic signal poles must be strong enough to bear the weight of road signs, street lights, and of course, traffic signals. The poles are also built to withstand extreme weather conditions,
Okay.
such as high winds and heavy snow accumulation.
All right. I'm about to lose my shit. How do I get rid of this pinging sound, bro? You have to buy a premium to get rid of it. Yo, they violent. They violent out. They violent. Now I'm about to get violent. Cause what? Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. All right, what if I completely close this out? Boom. Now I ain't gonna be able to see the comments. Now how that work? Comment something real quick. Let me see if I still hear it. Oh, it's still working. Oh my gosh. Nah, cause I wanted like, what if I wanted like I'm trying to like sit here and do a reaction video of anything. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to get right. But why does joint keep dinging? Don't stress, daddy. That's what I like to hear. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. Try it again, y'all. Try commenting. Damn, I think Monty likes you, man. Get her. Yeah, I know who she is. She's a great person. All right, now it's working. Yes, get him, Tiger. There we go. I think I fixed it, y'all. Think I fixed it. And hold on. Okay. Okay, everything looking good, looking professional, looking. Nah, let me know how everything looking. He already got me. Ooh. Ooh. You better stop it. You better stop it. You better stop it. You better chill. You better stop it. You better stop it. You better stop it. You better chill. Ooh. Y'all better clip this stuff if y'all think this shit funny. Like, cause what? Ooh, so you guys in a relationship? Money, he your daddy? He's your daddy? Wow. Let me stop saying. Let me stop. Let me chill. Let me chill. Nah, he might. You gotta fight me. Hey, yo. Hey, all right, chill. All right, look. So we about to get into this video. This is how signal poles work.
Traffic signal poles are made of high-strength steel. Years of weather exposure can cause corrosion, so the poles are galvanized on both sides for protection.
It's all good.
Each pole has a welded plate to connect it to a perpendicular pole.
So this just a pole?
The poles are...
Hold on, I don't want to see just a pole. I don't want to see the pole. It did say pole, but how a traffic sig... All right, let's see how they work. Band. Nah, no band. Hey, let's see how this works.
If you live in a major city, I can take a pretty good guess at one of your most common frustrations.
Can y'all hear this just fine?
In city driving, the journey is rarely better than the destination. In most cases,
And can y'all hear me just fine? Say yes, or yes, no, or no, no. Can y'all hear me just fine? And can y'all hear the video just fine?
Just want to get where we're going.
Can y'all hear me just fine?
Traffic is not just frustrating, but it has consequences to the environment as well. All those idling vehicles have an impact on air quality. When you're stuck and sitting behind a long line of cars, it's easy to let your mind wander over solutions to our traffic woes. But traffic management in dense urban areas is an extremely complex problem with a host of conflicting goals and challenges.
I enjoy seeing this stuff. Come on, man. This is the Matrix right here?
One of the most fundamental of those challenges happens at an intersection where multiple
yeah, we don't want to see how this works. Let's see how what y'all want to see? What y'all want to see that's cool? Some cool shit. Come on, man. I need some suggestions. I'm not gonna be sitting here just streaming. Y'all not gonna give me no suggestions. Oh, it's back, that noise. Oh my gosh. That's Matrix on God. What's Matrix? The video? No, I'm not looking that shit up. Hell no. Bugging out. Come on, what you take me for? What you take me for, guy? How are made? Fuck it. How are made? Something gonna pop out. How are ice cream sandwiches? Okay. Ice cream sandwiches. How it's made. Okay. I'm starting to like this. A simple ice cream sandwich. I think y'all enjoy this. It's a 4-minute powdered skim milk. Hey, y'all never knew that milk had like powdered, like it was powdered milk. They make powdered milk, like for real. They really make powdered milk. I never knew that at one point in time until I was in. Hey, I don't think we give these people enough props, the ones that be doing this work. Because, yo, bro, this is a lot of work. You got to pay attention.
So the cone remains.
I ain't gonna lie. This video is not the type of video I want to watch right now. This one is boring. Oh, let's find out how McDonald's food is made. Oh, I like McDonald's sometimes, but only like mostly the breakfast. The breakfast is good, but let's see how this stuff is made. Like, it's about to get crazy.
Welcome to the mesmerizing world of McDonald's food. Yeah. Did you ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes of the world's most iconic fast food chain? In this video, we'll be taking an exclusive look at the intricate process of how McDonald's food is made. From the juicy beef patty to the crispy French fries, the beloved chicken McNuggets to the delectable sauces and beverages, you'll learn everything there is to know about the production of this global food phenomenon.
I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I don't remember seeing this video, but let's see how it goes.
Join us on a journey to discover the secrets behind the delicious taste of McDonald's food. The beef patty is the cornerstone of the McDonald's burger, and it all starts with the selection of the beef. McDonald's has a rigorous selection process.
Yo, why I heard the noise, but I didn't see no comment. That was so strange. Yeah, I didn't see no comment. That was strange.
And works with a group of trusted suppliers.
Yo, did somebody comment just now? Or am I tripping? Nah, I probably. Yeah, I don't see no comment. That was weird.
To ensure that the beef is of the highest quality. Once the beef arrives at the processing plant, it is inspected and trimmed to remove any excess fat, gristle, or bones. The beef is then sent through a grinder to create the desired texture. McDonald's uses a precise blend of beef cuts, including chuck, round, and sirloin, to create the perfect balance of flavor and texture.
Oh man, hold on, wait.
McDonald's has a rigorous selection process and works with a group of trusted suppliers to ensure that the beef is of the highest quality. Once the beef arrives at the processing plant, it is inspected and trimmed to remove any excess fat, gristle, or bones.
Right.
The beef is then sent through a grinder to create the desired texture. McDonald's uses a precise blend of beef cuts, including chuck, round, and sirloin, to create the perfect balance of flavor and texture.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Just seeing the process of the way McDonald's like blend their meat and all that stuff it's still like crazy to me, but you know, it makes sense.
The ground beef,
especially for like a product in large quantities, you know what I'm saying? A large quantity. Is it halal though? Nah, this is McDonald's, how McDonald's food is made.
Beef is mixed with salt, pepper, and other seasonings to enhance the flavor. Next comes the forming of the patty. McDonald's uses a unique process called portioning and forming to ensure that each patty is consistent in size and thickness. The ground beef mixture is placed into a machine that compresses and shapes the patty. The machine uses pressure and heat to create the perfect patty, ensuring that it cooks evenly and retains its juicy texture.
Hey, imagine being the owner of McDonald's. Ain't that some shit? I'm addicted to McDonald's, not gonna lie. Shoot. McDonald's is good, like breakfast-wise, I ain't gonna lie.
Once the patties are formed, they are cooked on a grill using a unique process called continuous grilling.
Don't give us that fake McDonald's patty. That's the one.
And the patties are seared on each side for a specific amount of time. This technique helps to lock in the flavor and juices, giving the burger that perfect taste. The cooked patties are then placed into a warming cabinet, which keeps them at the perfect temperature and texture until they are ready to be served.
I'm not even gonna lie, bro. McDonald's got some of the best, like, freaking breakfast. I still don't care about it. They got some of the best breakfast. In America, it's trash, but here in Europe, it's busting. Trust. Shoot, I could imagine, bro.
It takes great care to ensure the safety and quality of their beef patties. Each patty is cooked to a specific temperature to kill any harmful bacteria, and every...
Hey, if anybody in the comments got any, like, kind of, like, video they want to see, matter of fact, hold on, wait, let me move this back a little bit. I'm way too close, ain't I? If anybody got any, like, videos that they want to see, like, any, like, how it's made, whatever it is, like, if y'all got any ideas, like, how a freaking car is made or something like that, you know what I'm saying? How the tires made, whatever. Throw it up in there and I'll check it out. If I could, I would eat it every day, but it's so unhealthy. Nah, for sure, it's very unhealthy. I stay away from that as much as I can. It's so unhealthy. Bro, you know what you should react to? The police videos. The police videos be going crazy. The best content. So funny. Okay, when you say police videos, right? What you mean by that? Police videos. Like criminals running and getting caught? Let me see this one real
to
quick.
ensure that it meets McDonald's strict quality standards. McDonald's fries are famous for their crispy exterior and fluffy interior, but how are they made? The first step in making the perfect fry is selecting the right potato. McDonald's uses a specific variety of potato that is high in starch and low in sugar, which gives the fries their unique texture and taste. The potatoes are washed, peeled, and cut into the familiar shoestring shape.
What potato is high in starch and low in sugar? Like PD body cam on them catching people. And I ain't gonna lie, I be watching that sometimes. I'm not even gonna cap. I do be watching that sometimes. Let me see what's up with these McDonald's fries. Matter of fact, not the McDonald's fries. I want to see how the nuggets are made. That's what I want to see. This is what I'm here for, the nuggets. How is the nuggets made? That's interesting.
McDonald's menu for decades, but how are they made? It all starts with the selection of the chicken. McDonald's sources their chicken from trusted suppliers and ensures that it meets their strict quality standards. The chicken is then trimmed and cut into small pieces, which are then sent through a grinder to create a uniform texture. Once the chicken is ground, it's mixed with a blend of seasonings and binders to create the McNugget mixture. This mixture is then shaped into the familiar nugget shape using a special machine. The McNuggets are then partially cooked using a process called par frying. This involves cooking the nuggets for a short period of time in hot oil.
Okay.
The partially cooked nuggets are then...
Okay. This ain't a bad process. I ain't gonna lie. This ain't a bad process at all.
Frozen and sent to McDonald's restaurants. When it's time to serve the McNuggets, they are cooked again in hot oil until they are crispy and golden brown. McDonald's uses a unique cooking technique that involves cooking the nuggets in a blend of oils to give them their distinctive flavor. The McNuggets are then served hot with a variety of dipping sauces. But what about the infamous pink slime controversy? In 2010, a photo of a pink gooey substance that was allegedly used in the production of McNuggets went viral.
Yeah. This right here. I heard about this. This is what I heard about. I don't know about anything else, but this is what I heard about right here.
However, McDonald's denied that they used the substance in their chicken nuggets and stated that their McNuggets were made with 100% chicken breast meat. In recent years, McDonald's has made changes to their McNuggets to make them even better. They have removed artificial preservatives and added a batter that includes more whole grains, which gives the McNuggets a unique taste and texture. They have also introduced new dipping sauces, such as sweet chili and spicy buffalo.
That looks like... oh, man. That's crazy. I prefer another... Oh, no, that's insane.
To give their McNuggets even more flavor. So there you have it. The story behind the iconic chicken McNugget.
Okay, that's cool. But... yeah, we need something more thrilling. More exciting. Car tires? How are crayons made? What the hell? How are M&M's made? What the hell? How are Play-Doh made? What the hell? Hey, yo. Hold on. Let me see what else is on here. Everything glass is crazy. This is a long A video. We don't want to see that. We don't want to see that. Crayons, we don't want to see that. Marshmallows? How are marshmallows made? Matter of fact, we don't want to see none of this. We want to see how a car was made or Twin Towers was made. How was it? The who? Hold on, wait, before I even do anything, because sometimes you like to play around and I ain't gonna lie. Okay, I don't know nothing about that, so I ain't gonna get into that. Not even gonna cap. Not even gonna cap. Your Damo got game. What up, Brody? My bro, Damo got game in the building, man. I want you to, yeah, that is insane. That is insane. So look. We're gonna look for a different video, right? How is toilet paper made? Y'all ever wonder how toilet paper was made? That's what I want to know. I want to know how toilet paper is made. Hey, if y'all in here right now, man, make sure y'all press the like button, man. We done had a good amount of people come up in here. We got 4 likes. Look, we about to watch how toilet paper was made. What you said? How were the pyramids made? How was Atlantis made? No, we're gonna figure out how toilet paper was made. We're gonna see how we wipe our ass every day. How we're able to wipe our ass every day. If we ain't learning about how we be able to wipe our ass every day, then we not winning in life. We just living in a simulation. Y'all like the y'all like the live and subscribe. 3 made, yeah, heck yeah, I already know, bro. I talked. How? Okay, yeah, we're not gonna do that one. But look, this is what we can already learn. We can already learn how toilet paper was made. Y'all ready for this?
Rolls each year, and if that statistic is taken into account, it more than well explains the revenue generated by the industry worldwide. A jaw-dropping $100 billion. So how do they make toilet paper?
How do they? Is this too loud or is it just right, y'all? Let me know. Is it too loud? Can y'all hear me?
The process starts with collecting wood.
Can y'all hear me over the video?
By a specialized machine called a harvester. A timber harvester machine weighs 18 tons and is pretty much an all-rounder when it comes to...
Look, if you want to know how you're going to wipe your butt, this is how you're able to wipe your butt right here. Because of this video right here.
Collecting wood in the forest. It can fell trees, delimb them, and then saw up the trunks. Its efficiency is also something to watch for, as all this takes a typical harvester less...
Hey, yo. Right? I know, right?
...than a minute to do. It's important to note that the type of wood that's cut down for toilet paper is bad wood, i.e. trunks which are crooked.
Bad wood. That's what she said. He said I got bad wood. Okay, yeah, that's crazy. It's insane.
Or wrong. The good sort of wood would be wasted on toilet paper and is used for furniture instead. Thousands of tree trunks cut up by the harvester end up at a site where the wood is ready to be turned into pulp. The raw material for paper and toilet paper as well. But before the wood can be turned into pulp, it must be converted into chips first. The machine used for this is called a wood chipper, and boy is it a giant operation.
So they put in the wood chipper first and then they turn it into wood chips. Okay, so look, right now, if y'all new to this channel right now, we're basically watching stuff like how it's made. Whether it's toilet paper, whether it's a traffic signs, whether it's whatever it is that you could think of. We're watching that right now. And this one is about toilet paper.
The wood is first cut into uniform pieces and fed into a shaft at the end of which giant drums await it. These drums debark the wood, a process that removes the tree's outer layer while leaving as much
Hi, my friends from France. I came across your live. Hey, what's up, man? We're watching videos on how it's made, whether it's like anything you can think of, toilet paper, bottles, freaking whatever it is that your mind could imagine.
Much wood on the tree as possible. The debarked wood is then cleaned with a water bath that washes stone and sand out of the logs. Afterward, the wood goes through a metal detector that detects any stray nails or screws that might have ended up in a particular batch. It's important to remove these as they can damage machinery further down the production process.
Yo, like, have y'all ever like really sat there and just wondered like how stuff is made? Like, this is like me personally, I don't look into this stuff often, but when I do, I'm like, dang, this is crazy.
Giant rotating knives reduce the wood into tiny wood chips. The wood chips then travel down a conveyor belt.
Hey, yo, this is how toilet paper is made, bro, by freaking wood.
Into giant stockpiles. The wood chips are composed of fine fibers that need to be further broken down to convert into toilet paper. This is done chemically in large industrial tanks.
And this stuff be on our butt. Like, we be wiping it with, like, come on, bro. With wood. Nah, that's crazy.
Called decomposers, which cook the wood chips until it's converted into pulp. During the cooking, which can last up to 3 hours, most of the moisture in the wood is evaporated. Wood chips contain about 50% moisture. The mixture is then reduced to about 25 tons of cellulose fibers, lignin, which binds the wood fibers together, and other substances.
That's what it turned the wood into?
About 15 tons of usable fiber called pulp result from each cooked batch.
What the heck?
The material that's used for making toilet paper is recycled paper.
Huh? I mean, yeah, I knew that, but like...
But recycled paper is not so simply obtained as wood is. A machine called a sorter is used to separate it from junk that can't be used in the production of toilet paper.
Yo, we gotta see how they turn toilet paper, I mean, not toilet paper, like all this recycled stuff into something like toilet paper and stuff. You know what I'm saying?
After the junk is located into the machine, it travels on a conveyor belt where the sorter removes rubbish, cardboard, and plastic fully automatically. First, a sieve.
Rubber, who, and plastic? Hold on.
After the junk is located into the machine, it travels on a conveyor belt where the sorter removes rubbish, cardboard, and plastic fully automatically. First, a sieve removes large refuse and cardboard. Then the recycled paper is separated from the junk through the use of near-infrared sensors.
Yo, hey, we need to be appreciative of what we have today. Like, bro, we got people sorting out papers and trash and all that stuff so we can get toilet paper and wood. We're using wood to do this, bro, to get all this stuff. This toilet paper and insane to me. Insane.
As soon as the sensors detect a piece of cardboard or junk, a blast of air sends it off the conveyor belt. This type of machine can sort 400 tons of recycled paper every day. The recycled paper is put into a giant washing machine and passes through a total of 14 stations until the fiber can be used again for new paper. If that sounds like a lot of work, that's because it is. But you'll be surprised to know that such a hectic process is still more environmentally friendly than using wood for pulp. The washing machine breaks down the recycled paper into pulp, which then...
Hey, I don't know if y'all learning something from this or y'all care about this stuff, but this stuff is pretty interesting. Make sure y'all press that like button as well, right? So we can get more people up in here, man. Get more engagement going on, you know what I'm saying? I hope a tree doesn't grow up that's wild. It will, wow, okay.
Then passes through a sieve. The sieve eliminates tiny particles of waste from the pulp. After decomposition comes fine cleaning. Fine cleaning uses centrifugation to throw heavy waste particles, such as sand or splinters, toward the outer walls where they sink to the bottom. Finally, the pulp is de-inked by washing it with soap. This makes the color particles in the ink attach themselves to the foam, which is then skimmed off. The washing process produces a pulp that has a sludge-like appearance. To make this sludge more suited for paper production, it is treated with bleach and diluted with a lot of water. Now that the factory has its hands on pulp produced both through wood and through recycled paper, it's finally
Hey,
time
this
for
process is super confusing. Like, what? What did I just watch just now, bro? I really don't know what I just watched.
to make it into actual paper. The paper machine is a 120-meter giant monstrosity that produces solid paper from pulp in 4 steps. The prepared pulp is fed onto a large mesh screen or belt called a Fourdrinier wire. As the pulp mixture moves along the wire, water drains through the screen, leaving a layer of intertwined fibers on top. The water removal process is facilitated by vacuum boxes and other drainage elements, which help control the consistency of the pulp and the thickness of the paper.
He does vlogs on YouTube. I know who Johnny Sims is.
The wet paper sheet is then passed through a series of press rolls. These rolls squeeze out more water, increasing the density of the paper. The pressed sheet is now called wet web and contains a significant amount of water. The wet web is guided through a series of heated rollers or a drying section to remove the remaining water. The heat evaporates the water from the wet web, leaving a continuous dry paper sheet. The paper sheet is still
Hey, hold on, wait a minute. Wait. See, look, I'm not paying attention.
twined fibers on top. 20-meter giant monstrosity that produces solid paper from pulp in 4 steps. The prepared pulp is fed onto a large mesh screen or belt called a Fourdrinier wire. As the pulp mixture moves along the wire, water drains through the screen, leaving a layer of intertwined fibers on top. The water removal process is facilitated by vacuum boxes and other drainage elements, which help control the consistency of the pulp and the thickness of the paper. The wet paper sheet is then passed through a series of press rolls. These rolls squeeze out more water, increasing the density of the paper. The pressed sheet is now called wet web and contains a significant amount of water.
You said wet web.
The wet rolls squeeze out more water, increasing the density of the paper. The pressed sheet is now called wet web and contains a significant amount of water. The wet web is guided through a series of heated rollers or a drying section to remove the remaining water. The heat evaporates the water from the wet web, leaving a continuous dry paper sheet. The paper sheet is still somewhat incomplete in the sense that it has creases on it. These are removed with the help of ironing rollers incorporated into the paper machine. This long-winded process surprisingly takes only 7 seconds in real time.
Hey, this thing is pretty unique, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but if y'all curious on how the world works and how this stuff is made, bro, we got a lot of stuff around us that we got clothes. I got these headphones. Like, how is all this stuff made? You know what I'm saying? Like, do y'all ever wonder, like, y'all going crazy in the comments.
That's how fast a paper machine really is. The completed paper is wound around a dryer called a Yankee dryer. Next, the paper is creped, a process that makes it very soft and gives it a slightly wrinkled look. During creping, the paper is scraped off the Yankee dryer with a metal blade. This makes the sheets somewhat flexible but lowers their strength and thickness so that they virtually disintegrate when wet. The paper, which is produced at speeds over a mile a minute, is then wound on jumbo reels that can weigh as much as 5 tons. How does a paper sheet end up becoming toilet paper? Well, it all happens inside a machine called a toilet paper roller. While it's not as big as the paper machine, at 80 meters long, it is still quite imposing, and it produces about 500,000 rolls a day.
Yo, this stuff is mad unique. 500, what?
Roller. While it's not as big as the paper machine, at 80 meters long, it is still quite imposing, and it produces about 500,000 rolls a day.
500,000. 500,000 rolls a day? Bro, can you imagine that? 500,000 rolls a day. This is what's creating 500,000 rolls. This big ass machine.
Years long,
bro, this factory, bro.
And it produces about 500,000 rolls a day. Multiple large jumbo reels of paper are unwound at the same time so that their paper sits on top of each other. The layers of paper depend on whether the toilet paper is meant to be 3-ply or 2. Then, different patterns are printed onto the paper depending on the brand. Micro-embossing soon follows, which gives the toilet paper its characteristic dotted texture. Micro-embossing not only gives the toilet paper more volume, but also...
Algorithm send us some new soldiers. This sounds like a summoning, but I like use imagine
makes it soft and comfortable for consumers. Finally, the paper is rolled on to incoming cardboard rolls. These rolls are a little bigger than what we're used to and are cut into smaller rolls of various sizes according to the specific requirements of the market, such as standard toilet roll sizes or household towel rolls. Paper companies often maintain their own tree stands in order to ensure the quality of the paper they manufacture. The chemicals used in the pulping process are also carefully tested and monitored. Temperatures at which a slurry is cooked is ensured too by checking gauges, machinery, and processes. Completed paper may be tested for a variety of qualities, including stretch, opacity, moisture content, smoothness, and color. Another commodity that has simplified hygiene is toothpaste. You'd be surprised to know that it's been around for quite a while, and here's how it's made.
Alright, how do I go to the toothpaste video now? Like, I'm interested, okay? I got interested how the toothpaste is made now. Like, it ain't here on the side. Hold on real quick. Alright, hold on, y'all. Sorry, I had to check something out. Dang, man, hold on. How it's actually made. Hot dogs. No, I don't want to see that. What I look like want to watch some Franks. How it's made. Yeah, how are these coins made? Because recently they just said they was gonna stop making coins. So I wonder how they were made, like, and like what it takes to make these. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's pretty interesting. I'm putting in my number. What you talking about?
Every coin in...
What are you talking about? Hold on, now I'm getting a phone call. Hold on. Alright, y'all, my fault. That was my family, bro. Yeah, that was my family. They was checking up on me and all that. I was wanted to see what's going on. But yeah. Like I was saying, like I know Donald Trump was talking about the getting rid of like making pennies and stuff. So I kind of wonder like how this process of making coins are like.
Every coin in your pocket survived extremes during production that would destroy most objects. Furnaces hot enough to melt glass, pressures that could flatten cars. These ancient feeling discs remain oddly essential for your daily life, from feeding parking meters and grabbing a cold Coke from vending machines. The strangest part, each penny.
Dude, read what I wrote earlier. Oh, even if they come on for a second, lots of them will come and some of them will stay. With that day to day, you get more loyal ones. Yeah, appreciate that, bro. I ain't gonna lie, definitely appreciate that. Yeah, I was just on the phone with my peoples just now, so yeah, I didn't even think about reading. So appreciate that for sure, bro.
Costs more to make than what it's worth.
Costs more to make than what it's worth. I heard something about that. Hold on, dang, you wrote more than that? Dang, yeah, y'all wrote mad stuff, bro. You should be putting all the hashtags. I should, huh? I should be doing that, huh? I should be doing that. But that's crazy, bro. That's like, it's kind of scary, bro.
It all starts here at the U.S. Mint with these giant metal coils stretching 1,500 feet.
Just fool them with the hashtag or ads. You need to put on. Nah, you ain't lying. You definitely ain't lying. I ain't gonna lie, yeah, you ain't lying. You definitely ain't lying. I got so much pride though. Sometimes I'll be like, nah, I ain't gonna do that. What the hell would I do that for? Why would I put, this guy's fucking, tag and shit? You have to. That's why nobody come in here. Because you are not in any category. Nah, I believe that, bro. You definitely right. Oh, I've been slacking, bro. Life ain't been life in the way I thought life was gonna life, man. Like, oh my gosh. This is why, bro. This is why I feel the way I feel. I feel lonely. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm sad. I'm lonely. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm sad. Like, bro. What old man gotta do to get something right around here? What a nigga gotta do? Que lo que, manito? Is my live still going? Okay, yeah, it is. What else is going on? Donald Trump. Yeah, we're gonna put Trump. We're gonna put Charlie Kirk. We're gonna put motherfucking what else? What else can we put? Mm-hmm. Nah, you right. You right. I feel what you're saying. Hold on. Yo, yeah. For Roblox, I'm crying. I got you. Hold on, gang. Trying to see something real quick. Hold on. You know. Alright, so all these kids watch Roblox only. Nah, no cap. And better reset the live and do it. Put in the character. Nah, you ain't even lying. You ain't even lying. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't even want to be on live like that right now. But you ain't lying though. I'm definitely ain't lying. You definitely ain't lying. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna turn this live off, and I'll probably get back on in an hour. An hour. All right. Nah, facts. You right. They definitely. I haven't done that in a long time. Like, look at everybody else's videos and shit. Greetings from Argentina. Hello. Hello. How's it going? Hey, look, let's just see how it works right now because you see, we got somebody else in here. Hello. Joaquin, how's it going? We got Joaquin in here. Hey, look, y'all. Right now, what we're doing is, yeah, bro, I'm telling you. Right now, we're watching videos. I don't know if y'all like videos, but I like videos. Y'all like videos? Let me stop. I'm so lame, right? I mean, I don't know if y'all like videos, but I like videos. Nah, let me stop.
The length of 4 football fields. They come in different colors because the coins they'll be turned into have different metallic formulas. The coils are taken off the
I don't understand much, but I'm talking to the translator. Ha ha ha. All good. Where are you from? English? I mean, Espanol?
Shelves and put onto these turbines, which uncoil
Hable español?
them slowly and feed them into this pressing machine. There needs to be a human specialist near.
Hey, yo, why that joint moving like that? Makes me think about her. Do you know the way? You know your body. Do you know the way I do your body? You know what I'm saying? That could be a video right there. Let me know. Let me know. So it made me think about her. How this video made me think about her.
Uncoil them slowly and feed them into this pressing machine. There needs to be a human.
Do you know the way I do your body? Spanish, sí. No, very little English. Me no hable es español. Un poquito. Entiendo. No más.
Human specialist nearby to finish
See?
that process, though. These sheets can be.
Make sure y'all press that like button if y'all get a chance, man. You already know what it is. Your boy This Deep, man. Watching these how it's made videos. This is how the coins are made right now. Like, you know, they stopped making the pennies. So I was kind of curious on how coins are made. You know what I'm saying?
Be very stubborn. Fortunately, the pressing machine is powerful enough to handle them easily once they go in. The Mint describes it as something like a cookie cutter.
Everyone like and subscribe, man, if y'all up in here.
It can pump out 14,000 of these blank coins every minute. The Mint workers know they're coming because the machine makes this fun.
Great job, my friend. It turned out spectacular. See? For real? Hey, está bien.
Little noise as they get pumped out by the bucket load. But that's not the only thing it's pumping out. On the other side of the machine, these gigantic heaps of oddly shaped metal pieces are piling up in equally imposing bins.
What the heck? See, bro, people are popping in. It's going from 3 to 6 every other minute. Yeah, you right, bro. You ain't even lying. It's looking good.
There are even people raking them as if they were leaves falling off the trees in autumn. The mint calls it webbing, and it will all be
But you gotta perfect it, huh? But you gotta perfect. But I got it perfect, or I gotta perfect it?
shredded and
hold on, let me see. The tags, or you gotta perfect them more. Nah, for sure.
recycled. The blank discs have now taken shape, but the coins haven't reached their final size yet.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. You see the way this joint look, bro? This right here, this whole value. This whole value, you gotta perfect it. Nah, no doubt, bro. I'm gonna get it right.
They have the same thickness as a finished
Hold on.
coin, but the diameter is slightly different. That will get taken care of later. For now, they're about to take a harsh journey through fire and very special water. The furnace gets prepared. Elsewhere, the tanks full of this unique, slippery water are ready.
Oh, gosh.
It's time for annealing, and it's one of the two most extreme parts of making a coin. It begins with a fire bath, so anyone nearby should make sure.
Yo, this joint is different. Like, just imagine, bro, like actually seeing people like do this, make this kind of stuff. It's interesting, bro. This is our everyday life, bro. People like Nate, yeah, for real, right? Yeah, it turned out spectacular a little more. Yes, it turned out spectacular a little more, and it would be fabulous. See, thank you so much, bro. Appreciate that, bro. I haven't been working on my Spanish, but I need to work on it a little bit more.
Or to keep a healthy distance. The annealing furnace heats the coins up.
Yeah, you know what? One day, right? One day I'm gonna be the type of person that's on live, and I'm gonna be the type to give advice and help heal people, man. I'm gonna help heal people. Mildew, my boy, yo, I haven't seen you in a minute. My guy. What is up? I want to be the type of person to heal people, like have conversations with people on live and actually help them like build, not become overwhelmed and stressed in their mind and become a better person, the person that they want to be. Not even become a better person, because I don't feel like that. I feel like they're gonna be that person that they wanted to be. Yeah. Sup, man? Would you be a stringer? What is a stringer? I have no idea what that is. This man hyped up now from the tags. No, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm feeling all right now. This gives you gives a person some kind of encouragement. But yeah, it gives me some kind of encouragement. It makes me want to do things.
To a staggering 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. And yet they come out with...
Oh, by the way, we're watching videos on how coins are made. I'm watching this because, the whole coin, the penny thing, they're not making pennies no more. Period.
Out a scratch on them. The coins go through this and look none the worse for wear because the annealing furnace has no oxygen inside it. Since there's no oxygen in there, the flames are carefully controlled, which prevents the coins...
I should be sleeping a long time ago. It's fucking 3 a.m. and I'm sitting here helping you with this stupid ass shit. You should know this already. You're this streamer, nigga. But it's all up. Nah, you cool, bro. It's just that I don't be into this shit like I want to anymore. Like, this ain't my life right now. But I got on here because I felt good, and I was like, you know what? Let me just see how everything works out. You feel me? And yeah, it's pretty good so far. But yeah, bro, you should get some sleep, man. Or if you gotta go to sleep,
from getting tarnished. But they're still not hot enough to melt most things they come in contact with. That's why these heated discs have to get a special water treatment immediately. This water is special for a reason. Water is only the base. Otherwise, the coins wouldn't look anything like the coins in...
I want to see like I don't want to see this. I want to see the real process.
Hands every second. Worse, they'd be stuck together permanently. That's why there are two other substances mixed in. The first is citric acid. This material comes from citrus fruits like oranges or pineapples. But unfortunately, there's none of those to be found in the mint. The acid is already in powdered form by the time it gets there, and it loosens the dirt and grime on the coins, giving them that mint-fresh feel when they're done. But that's not all it's for. The citric acid has a second function, especially for the penny. Since this
I ain't gonna lie. This a lot. This a lot.
Coin is made of
tell me what it is.
With 2.0.
Tell me.
The
all right. It's too much talking. It's too much talking. It's too much talking. I'm tired of talking. I'm tired of the talking.
The average American.
We're gonna see what the manufacturers are talking about in here. Go, 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 go. Yo, Dom, you the GOAT, bro. Man, you be doing your thing, man. Keep doing your thing with the streaming and shit. All right, let's see what else. Let's see what else we could check out that's being made. I looked up traffic signs already, you know, like razor blades. Why would I want to look up that? How it's made. Okay. Rubber balls. Instant noodles. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, wait. Matter of fact, we're not going to do that one. That one is a good one, but we're not going to do that one. But we're going to save that one. Let's see. Print. How money is printed. Yeah, okay. How millions of old cars are recycled into new steel. What the hell? Hold on, wait. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Cars being made into new steel.
The world's largest source of recycled steel doesn't come from mines. Can you guess where it begins?
Fire.
Auto recycling.
Yo, appreciate that, Damo. You already know, man. What's the word, gang?
Industry, often called the car's second gateway, which delivers a massive stream of steel to the global market every year. In the United States alone, more than 12 million vehicles are dismantled and recycled annually.
Yo, you know how many people are working in these factories, bro? Like these production, like these areas, bro? Just imagine how much work it is doing this, bro. Like this is stuff that we don't pay attention to, like at all. So if we look at this and see how people actually go through this, this is crazy. This is crazy, bro. I'm tuned in. It's this interesting for sure. Heck
Turning
yeah.
scrap yards into some of the most efficient steel mines humanity has ever created. Each car, once thought to have reached the end of its life,
oh yeah, I know. And I was like, damn, let me look into this again. This is pretty interesting. This is life. A lot of people don't know this lifestyle. This is a different lifestyle.
Embarks on a new journey. In this video, we'll witness how old cars are transformed.
Hey, this the Kendrick Lamar one. I feel like Drake used this video and he just was like, hold on, how long ago was this video? A month ago, yeah. He used this video to create that. I'm heading to sleep. Have a good day, man. Yo, blessings, bro. Have a good one, all right? Stay blessed. For real, I'm weak as for real, bro. It's true.
Formed into the raw foundation for construction, industry, and even the next generation of automobiles.
Look, even jobs like this, bro, like people really doing this work, bro. This is insane.
You buy a car for $48,000. After 10 years on the road, how much value can it still hold once it enters the recycling process?
48,000? Shit, that shit probably, depending on, it just depends.
Behind that question lies a $60 billion industry each year where millions of old vehicles are dismantled, crushed, and reborn as new raw materials. This process provides jobs for hundreds of thousands of workers, cuts enormous costs for metal smelting, and greatly reduces the burden on the environment.
Hey, can I make my own company like this? Like when I sell them like the old cars and shit, like I could sell them my old cars and stuff, right?
And if iron ore is a natural mine, then end-of-life cars are an artificial mine without limits. Each recycling cycle saves up to 74% of the energy compared to mining new ore. On average, 75% of a vehicle's weight can be recovered, from steel and aluminum to glass and plastics. As a result, hundreds of millions of tons of material are reborn every year, continuing their journey as buildings, everyday products, and even the next generation of cars.
Yo, this is so insane because, like, when you really think about this, bro, this life, there's a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of jobs. There's a lot of people doing stuff.
When a car reaches the end of its life, it is delivered to the intake area of a recycling plant. Here, technicians record the vehicle identification number, engine number, year of manufacture, overall condition, and all related paperwork. They also photograph the car, attach a tracking code, and upload the full dataset into a digital management system. This step not only allows the entire process to be tracked, but also provides the basis for assessing the remaining value of each vehicle. The inspection focuses on components that can be reused, such as engines, transmissions, electronics, and interior parts. Usable components are separated and supplied.
I ain't gonna lie, this whole car situation, insane.
Applied to the multi-billion-dollar market for used auto parts. Vehicles that are heavily damaged or fully worn out, on the other hand, are directed straight into the dismantling process for material recovery. Once this stage is complete, the cars are organized in lots across the yard, lined up and ready to enter the processing line in a clear, systematic order. What few people realize is that in the United States, more than 95% of end-of-life vehicles go through this system, making automobiles the most recycled consumer product in the world. Thanks to this level of organization, every car is able to maximize its recoverable value and contribute back to the economy. After intake and inspection are complete, the vehicle is moved into the processing area. The first step is removing the battery.
Yo, mind your business. Mind your business. Yo, they work though. They work. They bad? You don't like that? You don't like that? Alright, so just none of that, huh? None of that? You ain't messing with that? You ain't rocking with that, bro? Dang, man. Right. I don't even know what to do, man. You know, I'm not new to this, but you know. Shit, man. This shit tough. It's a trending tags, not fucking lie. Bro, yo, I ain't gonna lie, man. I think I got old, bro. I think I'm getting old, man. I think I'm looking at the world a little different now. Like, I do got that on there. I got it on there. Oh man. You said that you put fucking Yo, bro, chill, gang. You gotta chill, gang. You gotta chill, gang. Nah, you right. You right though. You right. Yeah, you ain't even lying, gang. Hold on, I gotta reset. I don't see. Yo. Hold on, wait. I'll be right back, bro. I gotta go get me some real quick. Hold on, I'll be right back, bro. I'll be right back. even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. This is what I'm about to do right now. This is what I'm about to do right now. Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. For the meantime, between time, this is what I'm about to do. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, bro. Put my music on.
So Ty, you going crazy.
All right. That's what we're doing right now. I got me some ice cream. I got me some ice cream. Oh, excuse me. We got big back activities going on over here. Oh, nah, Israel's crazy. I wouldn't do that. My God gonna look at me crazy. ASMR, I gotta put that one for sure. Hey, man. I ain't know, man. I'm a different being, man. Some of my friends used to do that when they used to go live too. So I was just kind of like using what I knew. And it worked, man. It actually worked. It actually did work, man. Ice cream with a fork is crazy. I know it is. But you know what? You know how like when the ice cream be hard as hell, no homo? And then you can't use a spoon like that to really like get up in there? Yeah. That's kind of what I'm on right now. Because I couldn't get to it. You feel me? But yeah, this live. Okay, you right. Nah, facts. It just makes the process a little bit more easier. But yo, to be honest, it's 2025, not 2022, bro. Bro's listening to me. Nah, I'm listening, bro. I'm hearing you. In 2002 is crazy. Alright. I think I'm gonna put it back on this video. Cause I kinda hold on, wait, this is my song right here. Feel like Goldilocks. Cause I'm still here. This shit real. Real. Hold on, wait. This is my song right here. Don't do it. Sell my bitch a couple hundreds. Alright, hold on. I'm about to get back to the video in a minute. change it for them. That came in a frame. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get back to the video in a minute. Make sure y'all press like on the video. Make sure y'all, yeah, if y'all didn't check out the music, go check out the music. Chris, what up, bro? Hope everything good, man. Also, yeah, it's just a chill night, bro. Just a chill night. Chris, do I know you, bro, or you just popped in here? The name look familiar for some reason. I don't know why. Let me know. Let me know. Damn, this ice cream is hella good. I ain't gonna hold you. That should be enough. Alright, enough of the video. The music. They call it sword fighting, apparently. Well, I think that's what it is. But I've seen like I heard jokes and stuff like that on like TV and shit. So that's the best bet. Hey, actually, I'll be right back. Hold on. Let me go put this ice cream away before I eat the rest of it tonight. And not have nothing for later. All right, sorry, y'all. All right, that's enough video time. Let's continue.
There's electrical risk still present. In conventional gasoline cars, the lead-acid battery is removed immediately. This type reaches an almost perfect recycling rate of over 98%, since the lead, plastic, and even the sulfuric acid inside can all be recovered to make new batteries. For hybrids or electric vehicles, the much larger lithium-ion packs require an even stricter procedure. They are carefully detached, safely packaged, and sent to specialized recycling facilities. Only when the electrical system has been fully removed is the vehicle cleared to move on to the next stages of dismantling. After the battery is removed, the car is lifted onto a platform to begin fluid extraction, covering gasoline, engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and even refrigerant gas from the air conditioning system. Hydraulic clamps secure the frame in place, while a specialized steel probe pierces the tank and connects to a high-pressure vacuum pump. On average, an end-of-life vehicle still contains several gallons of fuel and fluids, enough to cause fires, explosions, or pollution if not handled correctly. Within minutes, everything is drained and directed into underground reservoirs. What makes this step notable is that nothing goes to waste. Once filtered, most of the recovered fluids are reused to power forklifts, generators, and other equipment inside the plant. The remainder is stored for in-house operations, helping to significantly cut energy costs. Throughout the process, pressure sensors, one-way valves, and sealing caps maintain a completely closed system, preventing vapors from escaping and ensuring safety for the entire line. Once all the fluids have been drained, the car moves into the stage of dismantling its major components. Wheels are usually removed first, since they take up significant space and are easy to process. Old tires are among the most difficult types of waste to break down, taking decades to decompose if sent to landfills. Instead, most are shredded into rubber granules for asphalt roads and playground surfaces, while others are used as alternative fuel in industrial furnaces. The steel and aluminum rim.
I ain't gonna lie. This shit mad interesting, bro. But just give me a minute. Huh? You don't want to be here right now, bro. No. I got the Discord audio separated. Yeah, I know. I got the audio separated. It can't hear shit. Yeah, I'm testing something, but I'm able to. Nigga, it's only 6:38. Nah, you crazy. Nah, I appreciate it. Appreciate it. I mean, I'm just cooling, bro. But yes, if anything, come show love. Put a like button on there. Yeah, nigga. Yeah. Now I gotta get right in this bit. Gucci.
Pluto. You going brazen.
Don't gave love a try, ain't the love I desire. See happiness in music, so I gave him my heart. Don't fell in love before, but that shit hurt. Pieces of my soul, shattered pieces on the floor. Won't by 1,000 miles, see many faces pass, but I go downtown to see what's in the club. But ain't no love that will make my soul yearn. Gotta focus on myself, cause I got more I need to learn. Really thought I wasn't nothing, but I was something. But I grew up in the hood, so that's where I'm from. Had to deal with daily vice, know that you didn't like it. Then I started making changes to me. Ow, there's something about falling. Hit the ground, wishing that I was falling.
Test. Okay, it's working. Sorry. Test. Okay, it's working. I'm listening to a whole another conversation right now on on Discord. I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry. If y'all in here, press the like button real quick, man. Drop a like. And drop a like, man. Just drop a like. What y'all got going on tonight? What's the night looking like? It's Tuesday. PDF file getting exposed. Yo, this shit weird. Nah, this shit whack, right? Wait, who is this? Is somebody in the Discord? Oh, okay. Nah, forget it. I know who that is. Forget it. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff going on right now, and I'm not trying to put that on the live. You know what I'm saying? Yo, good idea. React to. He said, all right, good idea. I don't know how I feel about that, bro. That's not right. It's not. It's. Oh, the videos. Oh, okay. Okay, you talking about the video. All right. Okay, I thought he was talking about this right here. All right, yeah, that's a good idea. I ain't gonna lie. I could put that up, but I want to watch. I low key want to watch these like how it's made videos, which is cool. Nah, it's not right to be messy like that, bro. It's not right. I'm not that kind of guy. I could, but I'm not doing it. Yeah, like I'm not messy like that. You know, it would be crazy. It'd be a great idea. I could play videos, but I'm not gonna like expose nobody and do all that stuff. That's not me. Especially if I don't know what's what. Like what's the truth or not, you know? Yeah, that's crazy. I had the how it's made on here, but hold on, just give me a minute. Let me switch. Oh wow, the disco getting crazy.
fill me in right now? Is the gentleman we are talking about here at the PlayStation right now? All right. So Jack Williams Johnson the third. Why are you not speaking up for yourself right now? Yeah, the government is crazy. Wait, we're not speaking up for right now. Like this is a lot of shit being said. You gotta speak up at some point, bro. Yo, also, just not that. Are you off Twitch?
I'm not on Twitch. I'm on YouTube. I'm only on YouTube. Yeah, I got you, bro. People weird all over. Pull up, Leo. That nigga Leo probably gonna be going to sleep. But hold on real quick. I said, we're gonna bring you a book. Alright, so cool. We can ready to watch some videos, man. Yeah, we can ready to watch some videos, man. They got some. Oh, it's not Hanson, Skeeter, John. Yeah, this his name. Man, you said some other name, man. Got me all messed up, man. Alright, y'all. Bet. We about to watch the. We could watch the best moments. Alright, y'all. Let me know if y'all hear it.
We're in a Culver's parking lot right now. The Walmart is behind us right now where we're supposed to be meeting. This monstrosity here, his name is, he goes by the name John, I believe it was, when he's talking to the decoy. No, Joe. He goes by Joe, but his actual name is Steven. We did a quick number search on him. He thinks he's coming to a Walmart tonight to meet who he thinks is he sent graphic images, talked about a lot of things. It's pretty much more of the same stuff that most of the Predators talk about. But the unique thing about this guy is that he said that he is going to be, can't believe I'm saying this, he said he's going to be bringing some for the girl to try and indulge in. And, you know, he's skipping the whole...
Hey, this the old stuff, but you know what? I want to see some of the new content. My own uncle, his own uncle?
My mom was on the phone with her. She heard you over the phone say that you were gonna kick her ass or something.
No, I didn't say nothing.
Well, I just want to talk to him.
How about if I call the cops over here and they come over here and tell you to leave?
Please,
Hey,
please.
listen.
Oh, you just look...
Why don't you let a grown man...
Okay, you're... Okay.
Why don't you let a grown man...
I didn't want to see all that, but...
I'm fine, they put the shrimp emoji.
He was financially exploiting her, yelling at her every day, making threats.
I don't mean to ask you a weird question, but did you see like a creepy looking weird dude? It's probably in his 50s.
He just ran that way and he hid in like a bush.
He's hiding in the bushes this way.
We just have to, I just have to serve you these papers.
Eviction papers, right?
How'd you know? Okay, did you or did...
I'm in the Discord and nobody's here. Hold on. I don't see you in the Discord. His Discord. Oh, not my Discord. Sorry. I'm gonna put the other Discord. I got you, don't worry. I'm gonna send it to you right now. I'm gonna send it to you right now. All right, click on that link right there. Should be able to use that. All right, click on that link right there. All right, it worked.
Did you not abuse my grandmother on June 14th of 2024 in the Beaumont Urgent Care parking lot?
Yeah, I'm gonna just do this. So I'm gonna put it inside the description below. Yeah, I'm gonna just do this. Don't worry. It should be in the description now.
So Joe, you know, even if they... This is 59-year-old Joe from Woodhaven, Michigan. He's my uncle. Now, Joe isn't the typical kind of predator that we usually catch on this channel.
Nigga got his uncle on here for real. It's crazy.
Joe is a predator of the elderly. For the past decade or so, he's been financially exploiting and abusing my grandmother, who was also his mother. And before that, he was doing the same thing to his grandmother, which is my great-grandmother. He would put on episodes of temper tantrums, throwing things, yelling, cussing, you name it, if he was not given the money from them that he demanded. He's basically just a big...
Alright, I ain't gonna lie, I don't want to see like your uncle, bro. I know you got like... Hold on. It's getting interesting in Discord too. Yours.
I've been private on IG for like the past 3 months. And I don't mean it. Did you keep PDFiles?
It's getting crazy up in here. Oh man. Wanna do again. Yo, they going crazy right now.
Drag you into some bullshit you don't need to be dragged into, bro. But like we've seen screenshots from the my situation before, right? So when this situation is now coming up too, this situation's now coming up.
Yeah, bro.
It's now getting very concerning for a lot.
Tell them to accept me. I heard you.
Bro, this nigga even. Wow. Yeah, okay, Adam. This is what? Wow. This nigga can't just. Because allegations are allegations. Without proof, they don't mean shit. But at the same time, I think I'm gonna fight for their life. If you put guys, you think you should like that about me, nigga? I'm like a giant. Alright, yo, yeah. Wow, this shit happened 5 months.
I don't know, bro. Shit.
It was 3 months.
Shit looking. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Have you ever had predator pasta?
No, I haven't. Hey, Scrumptious. Howdy. How's it going?
I'm pretty good.
Pretty good.
You need your car back. You gotta have your car to take mom to the hospital.
Yes, our only car that we have. I live on a 16-ton. My wife is on hospice. She's in the midst of dying on us, and now he went off and did this. I don't know what to say, sir.
Sir, he drove your car over 100 miles to come and do this.
Yo, why are people so invested in like younger folks? Like, bro, I do not understand. I do not understand. I was watching how it was made videos and stuff, but people want to watch more of this stuff. They like this stuff. Yeah, bro. It's a lot going on. But I had to deafen up.
What up, boys? It's your boy, Skeet Hansen and Eric from PCI. Back at it again. We're in Marion, Indiana. Right now, we're waiting on this guy to show up. He goes by Zaire, but his real name is Isaiah. He's right around the corner, getting ready to meet a who he thinks is a 13-year-old girl.
Yeah, I would put it up on here, but that's not me, bro. That ain't my type of deal.
I mean, right off the bat, he calls her scrumptious, and then
yo, what if I was to change this, right? Come on, don't do that. And put like, put myself in like a little box somewhere and have this like, hold on. I'm trying to improvise. I'm trying to get my creative juices going. Is what I like to say. Not as fast. Okay. Just leave it how it was.
After she says that she's in, he sends an almost nude image. It's like almost nude. It's like he's showing like the base.
Oh, so now it's a maybe. All right, man. Hold on. Let me get this shit right. Yeah. Hold on. Trying to be different out here. I don't know. Maybe like right there. I don't know. Fucking up the video. Damn, it's gonna fuck up the video. It's like, who the fuck is this nigga? All right, I get it. Just, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right?
Of this, it's like from his like face all the way down to the base of his penis. I can't show it to you on camera, but you can see like this much of the peener in the picture. He says he'll make the drive. He's from 3 hours away, and he's waiting at the Hampton Inn around the corner. Yeah, says he wants to pound her. I mean, it's just so much. He wants to do doggy, cowgirl, reverse cowgirl. Wants the girl to sit on his face.
Missionary, of course.
And missionary, too.
Classic.
Gotta do the classic missionary.
Classic.
Vanilla, bro.
Yeah.
Project for sure. Yeah, that's going for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, he said right here, he says, the decoy says, me being 15 years old doesn't freak you out at all. Not really. Age is just a number. Do you think I'm hot?
Oh, yeah. Then he just says, show me something with the devil emoji.
A lot, bro. A lot.
So right after she said, I'm 15, he says, show me something immediately. He didn't even care at all, man. He didn't say, oh, damn, I don't know about this.
Didn't even think about it.
Didn't care. I think he likes it because I mean he
has to.
He says, "Show me something," tongue face emoji.
He has to. And
right after he saw the age.
Oh my God! Can we talk about this this terrible picture of him with the Busch Light can?
Yeah.
I mean, he should go to jail just for this. Look at this. Him in the cowboy hat. This is trailer trash and the Busch Light in hand. You can't make this shit up. Jesus Christ. It's so bad. He even says there isn't going to be any cops that show up, right? This is the other day when he just said that. Little does he know, cops are going to be showing up.
And right here he says, how many guys have you had sex with?
Yeah.
If you're 13.
Yeah.
She says 2. He says, how big are they?
Yep.
How big were they?
Yep.
She says, one was like 5'8" maybe. Okay. He says 8 inches.
Oh, here, we got something here. He says, let's pull a 69. The girl says, what's that mean? He says, you get on me and suck me while I eat you out. And then he says we can do missionary. And that's me on top. Your pussy hard. Do you understand that? Is what he says. So he thinks he's being let in by the 15-year-old girl's friend, and the 15-year-old girl who he's here to see is in the shower. That's what he's going to be thinking when he comes in here. So this guy is about 5 minutes away. Be here any minute. It's a real bad guy. Diabolical, wants a 69, wants to do all these different positions with a 13-year-old girl.
I think she told you, but she was getting in the shower real quick. Okay. I'm kind of hungry though. Have you ever had pepper pasta?
No, I haven't.
It's pretty good.
Yeah? Would you be interested in going to dinner, or you got my pasta?
Hey, Scrumptious.
Howdy. How's it going? Oh, pretty good. Yourself?